Hey there, so we all use Google for the craziest and useful searches so far. But did you know that Google is capable of searching your lost device as well? Okay, at least Alberto didn't know about it. For this trick to work, in your settings, move to your Google settings, then find my device and enable it. Make sure internet and location is also enabled. Now if your device is lost from another browser, log in into your Google account. Make sure that the same account is logged in on your lost device and search for find my device. And here are the directions to your lost device. In case your device is inside your house, so directions won't help, so you can ask your device to ring even if it's at silent. Now we need to move to a higher level of security. So now click on secure device, and if there is no screen lock, you will get an option to set a password remotely and an additional message with the directions if someone want to return the device. In case you are still concerned about the data, you can erase your device and there will be Google lock on your phone. To unlock it, you have to enter the login credentials of the account that was logged in at the time your device was being erased.